Brand new trucks rolling straight off the dealer lot are already falling apart in 2026, and the data is shocking. Robert here, and what Consumer Reports, NHTSA, and J.D. Power just exposed about these 10 trucks will make any buyer think twice before signing. Some brand new trucks look tough on the outside, but at the end of the video, I will show you the 30-second truck warning check every buyer should do before signing papers. Subscribe right now so you never miss the next video from this channel. Number 10. Tesla Cybertruck. The Tesla Cybertruck has shown serious build quality problems since it hit the road, with Consumer Reports giving it a below-average reliability score, the lowest of any Tesla model in the entire lineup. Owners have filed multiple complaints with the NHTSA about steel panels falling off, uneven body gaps, doors that fail to work right, and software glitches that show false warnings while driving on the road. One recall in 2026 covered trucks because the wheel stud holes inside the brake rotor were faulty, meaning the wheels could actually detach from the truck while moving at highway speed. Another big issue is the front light bar being too bright, which breaks federal road light rules and creates dangerous glare for other drivers coming from the opposite direction. Some owners have also reported that the self-driving system gets confused, with one complaint claiming the vehicle hallucinates and acts like an impaired driver behind the wheel. Price: $71,985. Number 9. Ram 1500. The 2025 Ram 1500 was rated by Consumer Reports as much less reliable than other trucks from the same year, and the 2026 model is following the same path with a fresh set of serious defects. A major recall in 2026 covered over 65,000 Ram trucks because the instrument panel display could go completely blank while driving, hiding speed, warning lights, and other important information from the driver. Another massive recall hit 456,287 Ram and Jeep vehicles, including 2025 and 2026 Ram 1500 trucks, because the trailer tow module could burn up and cause trailer lights and brakes to fail completely. Owners also keep reporting dead batteries overnight, screens that freeze, wireless phone chargers that overheat, and check engine lights popping up on the new Hurricane twin-turbo 6-cylinder engine right out of the dealer lot. Many drivers say their truck sits in the service shop for weeks while they wait for software updates and parts that never seem to arrive on time. Price: $42,120. Number 8. GMC Sierra 1500. The 2026 GMC Sierra 1500 has earned a Do Not Drive warning from General Motors after a serious defect was found in the drivetrain transfer case of four-wheel and all-wheel drive models. A missing internal part can cause the front or rear wheels to suddenly lock up while driving down the road, which puts drivers in real danger of a crash without any warning at all. Older Sierra trucks with the 6.2-liter V8 engine remain under a huge recall, affecting around 600,000 GM trucks and SUVs, where engines can fail completely due to debris and oil passages and out-of-spec parts. Federal investigators have now expanded the probe twice, even checking trucks that already had their engines replaced under warranty, which shows the original fix is not really working. As promised by GM owners, also report transmission shifting problems, infotainment screen failures, and harsh shifts tied to a faulty software update that was sent to the wrong group of trucks. Price: $37,995. Have you ever felt your truck lose power suddenly on the highway? Drop your experience in the comments below. Number 7. Chevrolet Colorado. The 2025 Chevrolet Colorado was rated much less reliable than average by Consumer Reports, and the 2026 model continues to face the same headaches in real-world driving conditions every single day. A major service program from GM numbered N252517790, covers select 2025 and 2026 Colorado trucks with the 8L80 or 8L90 transmission, where the reaction carrier inside the transmission can actually crack apart over time. When this part breaks, drivers experience sudden loss of power, rough shifting, grinding noises, and fluid leaking out under the truck while moving down the road. A separate 2026 recall also covers the Colorado for an electronic owner's manual issue that fails to meet Federal Motor Vehicle Safety Standard 208, which deals with occupant crash protection rules. Owners also report transmission hesitation at highway speeds between 55 and 70 miles per hour, brake problems, and engine trouble that returns even after the dealer claims they have fixed it for good. Price: $32,400. Number 6. Chevrolet Silverado 1500. The Chevrolet Silverado 1500 sits at the center of one of the biggest engine failure crises in modern truck times, with around 600,000 trucks recalled over the 6.2-liter V8 engine alone. According to NHTSA documents, these engines can completely fail because of debris in the oil passages and out-of-specification parts inside the connecting rods and crankshafts of the motor itself. Federal investigators have already expanded their probe twice and are now looking at trucks that had their engines replaced under the original recall, with reports surfacing that replacement engines are also failing in real driving. The 2026 Silverado is also part of the same wheel lockup recall as the Sierra, where a missing transfer case part can cause sudden front or rear wheel lockup while driving. On top of all that, owners face transmission reaction carrier cracking, coolant valve failures, brake fluid warning light bugs, and daytime running lights that fail to turn off properly at night. Price: $36,900. Number 5. GMC Canyon. The 2026 GMC Canyon is predicted to be less reliable than the average new vehicle by Consumer Reports, based on real owner data from the 2023, 2024, and 2025 model years before it. The 2025 Canyon earned a poor reliability score and ended up on Consumer Reports' Do Not Buy list, while owner reviews on Kelley Blue Book rate its reliability at just 3.3 out of 5. One real owner described his 2026 Canyon as horrible to own, with the transmission needing 15 to 20 minutes to warm up before it would shift smoothly, plus hard clunks between gears 1 and 2. A 2026 recall covers certain Canyon AT4 XAEV trucks for incorrect airbag deployment software that breaks federal occupant crash protection rules required by law. Other owners report leaking steering racks, burning oil, overly sensitive pre-collision sensors that activate for no real reason, and poor dealer service when trying to get these problems fixed properly. Price: $38,900. Would you trust this truck for daily driving and family trips? Tell me your honest opinion in the comments below. Number 4. Toyota Tundra. The third-generation Toyota Tundra has become the biggest reliability disappointment in the brand's modern timeline, with the new 3.4-liter twin-turbo V6 engine being recalled multiple times since 2022 over one serious defect. According to Toyota, debris left behind during the manufacturing process can contaminate the engine assembly, causing engine knocking, rough running, sudden loss of power, and complete engine failure while driving on the road. The recall has now grown to cover over 126,000 vehicles, and in May 2026, Toyota expanded it again to include around 44,000 more 2024 Tundra trucks because the previous fix did not actually work. One owner reported a complete engine failure at just 44,000 miles, requiring a full engine replacement, while Toyota dropped from 4th to 8th place in the J.D. Power Dependability Rankings. Owners also report throttle hesitation, rear differential problems, malfunctioning tailgates, excessive front tire wear, brake noise, and inconsistent HVAC performance across the entire third-generation Tundra lineup. Price: $47,122. Number 3. Ford F-150 Lightning. The Ford F-150 Lightning has faced multiple major recalls since it launched, and Ford ended production after the 2025 model year due to weak sales and ongoing quality issues. A late 2025 recall covered over 272,000 Ford EVs and hybrids, including roughly 104,000 F-150 Lightning trucks from 2022 to 2026, for an integrated park module that may fail to lock the transmission in park. This means the truck can roll away even when the driver thinks it is parked safely, creating a serious crash risk on hills and inclines across the country. Another recall covered 2022 to 2024 Lightning trucks with defective high-voltage battery cells that could short-circuit and start a fire, with 5 fire reports and 1 injury already confirmed by Ford itself. Owners have also reported camera display freezes, control arm fastener failures, front brake jounce hose problems, junction box wiring defects, and battery energy control module bugs that limit charging speed. Price: $49,995. Number 2. GMC Hummer EV Pickup. The 2026 GMC Hummer EV Pickup was recalled in November 2025 because the front passenger airbag may fail to deploy in a crash due to an improperly crimped wire in the instrument panel harness. The defect happened during a 3-day period when the supplier's automated crimping machine was offline, and workers were doing the crimping by hand, leading to inconsistent and weak connections inside the harness. Even though only 354 trucks were affected, the issue raises serious questions about the quality control on a brand-new luxury electric truck rolling off the dealer floor. Earlier Hummer EV models also faced recalls because the high-voltage battery pack enclosure was not properly sealed, which let water leak inside the pack and cause loss of drive power. Owners also report water leaks at the A-pillars and roof panels, driveline noise, suspension issues from the truck's massive weight, and high-voltage warnings that cause sudden power drops on the road. Price: $97,200. Is this premium electric truck really worth the safety risk for your family? Share your honest thoughts in the comments below. Number 1. Ram 2500. The 2026 Ram 2500 carries the worst owner sentiment of any heavy-duty truck on the market right now, with Edmunds reporting that owners describe the overall experience as deeply negative due to frequent recalls, transmission problems, and electrical malfunctions. The 2026 Ram 2500 is included in the massive 456,287 vehicle recall over the trailer tow module catching fire, plus a separate recall over the instrument panel cluster going completely blank while driving down the road. The 6.7-liter Cummins diesel engine has been hit with reports of stalling, misfires, excessive oil consumption, exhaust manifold failures, and the diesel exhaust filter needing frequent regeneration trips that shut down the truck if missed. Owners also report transmission fluid leaks that can lead to engine fires, jerking, slow acceleration, harsh gear shifting, and side curtain airbags that may not deploy properly in a crash. Many drivers also complain about extremely long repair wait times at dealerships, missing parts, and customer service that fails to respond or fix the same problem twice in a row. Price: $51,380. 30-second truck warning check. Before buying any new truck, take 30 seconds and check 3 things. First, search the exact model year on Consumer Reports and look at predicted reliability, because some 2026 trucks already have weak reliability predictions based on recent model data. For example, Consumer Reports lists the 2026 Ram 1500 reliability prediction using 2025 model data, and the 2025 Ram 1500 is described as much less reliable than other vehicles from the same model year. Second, check open recalls by VN because a recall can reveal electrical, brake, engine, or safety problems before you buy. Third, ask the dealer if all recall repairs are already completed in writing. This simple check can save buyers from paying new truck money for a truck that already has old truck problems. That is the full list of 10 brand new trucks already falling apart in 2026, based on real data from Consumer Reports, NHTSA recall filings, and J.D. Power rankings. Share this video with anyone shopping for a truck this year, and subscribe right now so you never miss the next video from this channel.